pakuha nito.
So, next na balik natin, wala na yung hapon na yan. Sakit sa mata ng mechanical.
Oo. Sakit. Amoy na amoy pala.
Oo. Careful.
Masok ka po. Tapos ang chemical.
Takas no?
Masakit pala sa mata.
Oo, maali yung chemical mo. Ano yung mga tina?
Doon mo lang isa para siya.
Ay, shit, so
Pero, okay lang. Okay! Okay, let's go. Lead us the way, Shaman Tope.
Ingat to, gumagalaw yung isang drum. Ito, ingat dito ha.
To check where I'm stepping, okay? So, you follow each
Okay, now brother, you gotta be careful
Gumagalaw
here.
yan.
And this is moving.
Pwede mo tungtungan to.
Sige, Shaman Tope. Pasok ito.
Sige, okay.
Oh, this is...
Doon na tayo mag-set ng prayer kasi medyo alanganin tayo rito eh.
So guys, we're just starting and ito, pumapasok ko na tayo. Medyo mahirap talaga yung lakaran dito kasi may mga soft spot. Hello! Ghouls, we're here!
We're going to have a prayer here. Pusa lang pala. Wow! Okay.
Wow.
Cut. Cut.
Yeah, that's a cat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to set a prayer for our protection. All shaman or manggagamot, always use this to avoid any negative energy before we start our exploration or investigation here. I'm holding in my left hand, then the one is the stick.
The stick.
Then I will use that. Can you hear? That's why they call singing bowl. Singing bowl. Do you feel the vibration, the sounds?
Yeah. Kuya, so ano ba itong building na ito? Ano ba yung istorya ng building na ito? Anong use niya dati? Bakit siya na-abandon? Ang mga taong namatay dito?
Pagkakalam ko meron. Tsaka medyo nasunog yung konti niyan eh. Tapos yung naabandonado siya, bigla yung nasunog na yun, bigla sa parang nasabay ng lugi o ano, tapos biglang pinasara.
Pero anong building to dati, kuya? Factory of what?
Factory ng mga chemical, yung mga para sa rugby.
Ano po yung tawag sa gusaling iyan at ilang taon na po kayong nakatira sa bahay?
18 years na ako nakataan na nagmamalis ng building na yan. Peroxide na building.
Sa 18 years na nakatira po kayo dito, ano po yung mga karanasan nyo? Kababalaghan or nakakatakot?
Nagro-rubing pa ako dyan sa loob ng building na yan eh. Una kong rubing, sa akin naman binaliwala ko na lang. Pero yung nararamdaman ko, at saka yung iba yung pakiramdam ko pag lalo na bumabalik. Parang lumalaki ang ulo ko. Tapos sabi ko, stop na ako. Before 8 years, hindi na ako umakyat o ano. Kasi may nangyayari talagang something na hindi ko ma-explain. Tapos parang may tumitingin sa akin. Parang kumikilos siya na ano.
My last question, what about going that place with us?
Ay, no.
Oh, no, no?
No, no.
No, no, why no? Why no? No? Never?
Kinakabahan ako eh.
Okay.
May experience, hindi na ako umakit dyan.
Patri et Filii et Filio Spiritus Sancti. Pater Noster, qui es in celis, adorabit tuum. I heard something whispering in my ears. May narinig ako mga bulong. That's why minsan nag-stop ako. Someone whispering and asking for help to pray. Someone here. Even though they have no appearance or
They have no appearance.
I feel the energy. Kasi bahay na daan siya, hindi siya nabasa.
There is a girl asking for help. Girl? Yeah.
Rapsol siya dito. And she's asking for help, prayer.
A trapped soul asking for a prayer. A girl. Is she a child?
Teenager.
Teenager.
Maybe she's the one who prayed.
Oh.
Prayed.
Because in the history, there was a girl that was raped and killed inside this building. So that, the Shaman Tope said that might be that girl. Shaman Tope said she has no appearance. It has low energy, but he can hear the whispers of that girl asking for help. She said right now she's not here.
She's not here?
She went away.
Kung nakita niyo yung ginagawa ko, nag-hold ako yung ground. Usually yung way ko para at least makita ko yung imprint ng nakaraan.
Alright, so the reason Shaman Tope is holding this drum is to try to trace the imprints. Look at the imprints of the past that happened here.
Sabado kami ngayon dito.
Is everybody here with us?
Yung sa akin kung nasan siya. Remember I said earlier, with the dowsing that is crossing each other, there might be a sign where's the spirit.
Yeah. So now it's crossing?
Yan. Hindi ako nandito para makita away. You see?
Okay, okay.
Crossing that is cross each other. That's why they might be there. Over there say they have a spirit.
Which part? Which part is it? Over there?
Over there.
Andun?
He's using the
Let's
thousand
try.
to call the spirit. Kung nasaan niya yung spirito.
Shaman Tope, kamatay na. Use our equipment.
This part?
Here's the record.
Okay, I have one. Let's use two.
Yeah, let's use.
Ground floor pa lang to ha.
So now we are gonna be using some equipments dahil dito tinuturo ni Shaman Tope yung presence ng babae na kikita niya.
Hello, ghost.
So all the spirits. Oh
my God!
There you go. So all the spirits in here. So all the spirits in here. So all the spirits in here. We have some devices right in front of you. If you are the girl that is here.
Oh!
Wow. If that is you, make it beep one more time.
Huwag ka matakot.
너가 맞다면 한 번 더 크게 올려줄 수 있어? Oh! It's working.
Yeah, it's working.
Yan siya nakatayo pa hanggang ngayon. Even na hindi ko siya nakikita physically. Pero yung...
Whoa!
Wait a minute. Are you there? Is that you? Yeah, it's responding. It is responding. Oh, it's responding.
Alam ko, kailangan mo
I
ng
think
dasal.
it has a timing.
Yeah.
It has a timing. Wait. Maybe 3 seconds. Oh, it's not. Oh!
Bibigyan na kita ng dasal.
Are you mad that we are here?
Kailangan mo ng dasal.
What about the left one? 왜 왼쪽 건 안 올리지?
Pangdong ka. Tabihan mo sa loob doon.
조금만. Hey, Shaman, can you see something on there? Oh, look. Can you feel it?
Not exactly the physical form, but I feel the energy.
Energy?
Yeah.
저쪽에서 기운이 느껴진다.
She's wanted a prayer. She asking me to give them a prayer.
So, when I tried this, look,
How much?
over there is 30.
30.
Over here, it's 28.
28?
Yeah, it's colder. Look. Look. Oh, it is in the area. Look. Shaman Tope, I need to confirm. May electricity ba dito? Is there any electricity? Look at this.
From 1990 to 2024, walang kuryente rito sa factory na to.
But it's... Are you here?
Sobrang active yung mga spirit dito.
Look, it's gone.
It's gone?
Working? Umiikot sila. Ayun, nalalaki yung ulo ko. Umiikot sila. Naparamdam nila sa akin.
Oh, it's gone.
It's gone. Oh.
So you're just here?
May bata ako nakita doon.
Wait, I need to leave this.
May bata ako.
Where are you? Where are you? Oh, it's gone. It's gone, Rob.
May bata.
Oh, now it's here again.
Hala.
Is that you? Oh. Did you notice
Eh, this
after
is
the
the first
prayer?
time that I
It's gone.
Yeah.
Brother,
It's gone after the prayer.
brother,
No, nothing. There?
There?
저기가 또 온다. 아니. Reeve, let's put on there.
Yeah. Look,
Oh,
you're right.
May butil.
It's picking up.
lakas dito. Alam niyo yung ano, yung
Look, Rob, it's picking up. It's picking up something.
nandito kami para hindi
난 저거는 반응이 없는데.
Nandito kami hindi para guluhin kayo. Nandito ako para bigyan kayo ng dasal
He's feeling something in there?
sa katamis-tamisan ng puso ni Jesus.
He's praying.
Iligtas niyo po lahat ng mga kaluluwa na naririto. Pagkalooban niyo po sila
Kitos
ng
mo naman.
kapayapaan at makita na po nila ang liwanag patungo sa inyong kaluwalhatian. Kasama ng mga anghel, kasama ng Diyos Ama, Anak at Espiritu Santo. Lahat ng mga kaluluwa rito, hinihiling ko na magkaroon kayo ng kapayapaan at kaluwalhatian para sa katahimikan ng mga
It's not stopping.
It's not stopping. It's not stopping. It's not stopping. It's not stopping.
Oh,
Oh! It's getting max.
it's getting max. It's turned. It's going into full max.
Temperature ko.
Can you touch the REM pod?
May isa nagagalit. May isa nagagalit. May nagagalit. Kasi akala
Ghost?
nila,
So it's not her.
akala nila kaaway ako.
It's not her?
First time ko
Oh, there's something that is getting mad.
Nag-red.
Yeah.
Ma, yan yung comment
Pero
ko.
sama
Ito.
Tope, can you check ano tong semento na to?
Ito?
Semento lang ba siya o ano ba yan? Anong
Semento
source
lang
yan?
Simento lang.
Sama Tope, ilipat mo yung EMF. Oh!
Oh my!
Baka ako.
Uy, bakit
Okay,
Oh.
sama Tope. Sama Tope, ilipat mo yung EMF. Lipat mo ng spot.
Oh! It's so strong.
Yan.
Oh!
Okay. Oh!
Still.
Alright, if that is you... Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Wow.
You know? I think we should try to reach to it.
Pero
You
ano,
wanna use the spirit pa.
no worries naman kasi hindi naman sila makakalapit sa atin.
Can we try to communicate? Shaman Tope?
Sige.
Let's try.
Let's try.
Territorial tong lugar nila. May
Ghost?
boses? Narinig niyo?
Kanina ka po.
May
Kanina
boses na
ka.
babae.
Yes po, kanina ka pa
There
narinig.
is a voice of a woman
Oh, over there?
booming
Ah,
Oh.
Humming.
Where? Which part?
over there.
wala, ang active ng EMF.
아, 저 오른쪽 안쪽에서 내면서
Ano tayo, brother?
여자 오른쪽이 들린다고.
Territorial na nila to. Pinapalis tayo rito, lilipat tayo sa second floor.
Gusto mo try natin?
Wala
If we can capture.
na-amaze ako.
Oh.
Galit na sila, oh.
Kasi
So you know we are here.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay.
React din.
Oh? Wait a minute.
Lamok.
No. May nakatira dito, kuya?
May tao.
Oh! It's working.
Okay.
와,
Saka
풀맥스야.
yung EMF natin.
Non-stop.
Okay, so we're gonna be using the spirit box. We'll be using the AM frequency, FM frequency, reverse sweep rate. If there is any,
Wow!
if there's any spirit in here, can you talk to us?
Narinig niyo yung yung boss ng babae? Dito yung yan?
Yeah.
Pero parang,
If there is a spirit here, we are looking for the girl. Are you here with us? We are looking for the spirit of a girl. Or if not, who is in here with us?
Okay.
Can you tell us your name? Can you tell us your name? If that is you, can you...
Oh my god.
I'm just about to say, touch the REM pod.
sa likod niyo.
Huh? Shaman Tope said it's behind you.
It's behind me?
May nakatulong yung daw si boss.
내 뒤에 있다고? Okay. Let's put this on my back. Oh, it's working. Hello. Hello. If you're here, can you say hello to us? 여기 계신다면 인사해줄 수 있나요? Hello.
Yan pa rin ako. Brother. Yan pa rin nakatulong.
What's that? Oh, it's...
Wala, nagtatagutan.
It's working.
Wait a minute, I have to stop this.
Wait.
Ang lakas dito. Territorial nila to.
Galit
They
na.
are everywhere.
Oh my God, everything is active.
Shaman Tope, how many...
Oh my god.
Both of them.
Oh,
How many spirits are in here? Shaman Tope.
Ayaw tumigil.
Nandito sila lahat, nakapaikot sa atin. Territorial na nila to eh.
What's that noise?
Manok.
Oh no.
Chicken.
Okay.
Ba't biglang tumigil? Oh, yung EMF talaga. Oh,
Now they're gone.
oh my God.
Show me where is this spirit? Show me, please. Again, show me.
Show us where you are.
Show me. Yan.
Behind you, Rob.
Behind me?
It's going behind you.
What?
Oh,
Rob, you're pa-
look,
oh my.
Look at that word. Look at that word, bro.
That? It's not.
Uy,
Is that you behind Rogue? If that is you, make the REM pod go off.
tumigil yung EMF doon, no?
Oh, Rogue, you have to see this. You have to see this.
It's gone?
The EMF is gone. Oh, now it's,
Now, it's...
it's gone.
Oh, it's booming. Saya nito. Nakapaikutan tayo.
So I think they have a crush on Rogue.
Me?
Yeah, maybe the girl likes you. You're handsome.
No.
Okay. You want to validate that. If you don't want us here, kung ayaw nung nandito kami, pailawin niyo yung REM pod.
Sabay.
Sabay-sabay.
Sabay-sabay.
All together.
Alis kami rito.
If you don't want us here, make those REM pods go off.
Oh my. Okay.
Not just this one. I'm not gonna believe you. Hindi ako maniniwala sa'yo. Not just this one. Pati itong nasa likod namin na REM pod, pailawin mo if it is really you. But just, Shaman Tope, Rogue, Bang, but just for everyone to see. I really want everyone to see. If you want us out of here and go on to another spot, make those REM pods go off. Make those REM pods go off if you don't want us here. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, nothing. All of a sudden,
Yeah, but the EMF, it's still...
the EMF stopped, but now it's going off again. So I guess we're done here. We're done here, Rogue. Let's go to the other spot.
We're going to second floor.
Yeah? We're going to the second floor.
Sure.
Intense agad. First floor pa lang.
Go this one.
Ha?
We have vitamins.
부장 선생님한테 여쭤보고
Mas iba yung pakiramdam dito sa taas. Oh shit.
Dito yung pinagdagayan. Okay, tinatawag niya.
Dito yung
Dito yung pinagdagayan.
yan. So guys, dito yung sabi ni Shaman Tope kasi he's been here before. Dito yan na experience na namin ng kagaya. Sa third floor. Oo nga, no?
Saka, sabi sa akin, pakita niyo sa akin na, please.
Here?
Ito yung contact. Ito, brother. Para, kasama pa kami dito, pwede kang kapag-usap.
So, set up muna kami ng equipments and we will try to communicate and maybe provoke. Nilalagay ko siya, yung spirit ball natin, nilalagay ko sa fix, Shaman Tope. There's no chance na hanginin lang.
Ipit mo, ano yan? Kasi usually may vibration yung lakad natin. Doon kayo natin lagay sa mga sako.
Pero malayo naman tayo, so it's fine. Kasi I'll demonstrate again. Let's see. It will come down.
Wala.
Check. Good. There. So, you have one. I'll use two. May tumakbo pa ganun. May tumakbo? Is that you? Are you with us? Okay, I wanted to set up another. Ito kasi ngayon ko lang gagamitin. This is the shaman tope. This is the cheap version of the REM pod, and I want to use the other motion sensor. Full blast natin to. So hahanapin natin yung mga nagpaparamdam.
Shadow na nakikita ko. Shadow.
Okay. Okay, so we have REM pod, motion sensor, another type of motion sensor REM pod. We have this EMF in here. We have spirit balls. That's a big bat. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Ang pangalan ko po ay si Reeve, kasama si Shaman Tope, kasama si Apple. Nandito po kami para hanapin ang mga espiritu o kaluluwa na nandito sa gusaling ito. Gusto po namin na maramdaman kayo, magparamdam kayo sa amin. Meron po kami mga devices, equipments, may mga gamit kami na nandiyan sa inyong harapan. Maaari niyo po itong hawakan o lapitan. Maaari po ba kayo magparamdam sa amin? Meron kami kasama sa mga oras na ito. Ngayon na po ang pagkakataon para magparamdam kayo. Hinahanap namin yung naggagaya dito. Pwede mo ba kaming gayahin? Pwede mo bang gayahin ang boses ko? Pwede mo bang gawin yun? Wala kaming masamang intensyon. Gusto namin nakatunayan na nandito ka. Medyo maingay yung mga truck natin sa labas eh. Meron kasing paradahan ng truck dito sa labas. Makikita niyo si Shaman Tope, he's trying to detect or trace
Bukod kasi sa
yung spirits.
sa mga equipment natin, ito yung isa sa mga traditional way
Yeah.
para ma-detect yung mga best spot kung nasan yung mga entities or spirit na hinahanap natin. Kasi na-detect nito yung energy nila. Usually kasi dati before, not exactly, hindi ko alam yung anong era. Kasi before kasi ang dowsing rod, ginagamit ito pang-hanap ng tubig. So ang tubig, di ba mayroon siyang energy and weight.
Yeah.
So usually kasi yung mga spirit kasi, usually energy sila, yung aura nila, naglalakbay sa surrounding. So isa to sa mga traditional way na ginagamit ng mga ghost hunter.
Yeah.
Dowsing rod.
Okay, so now guys, nag-observe lang muna tayo kasi ako personally nababother ako sa ingay ng truck eh. Parang hindi ako makapag-concentrate. Kasi when you ghost hunt, hindi yung pinapalabas pa lang sila eh. You have to really concentrate and focus for them to maybe show up or make their presence known. Kaya naglagay muna tayo ng mga equipments. the moment na merong magparamdam sa mga equipments natin, then that's the time we will try to communicate. Because it's gonna be a waste of time to try to communicate kung walang activity na nangyayari.
Yung shadow na nakikita ko na palakad-lakad dito, paikot-ikot, may doon na pala pag-usap. Pwede mo patulogin yung mga equipment namin. Hindi ako nandito para maging kaaway nyo.
Sa mga espiritu, bored na ako, magpakita na kayo. Nagpunta kami dito para hanapin kayo at makunan kayo, hopefully. Kaya nyo ba kaming pagbigyan? Kasi kung hindi nyo gagawin yon, magkaiba kami ni Shaman Tope. Shaman Tope is very respectful. Me, I respect you. Nirerespeto namin kayo, yes. But kung hindi kayo magpaparamdam, pinatunayan nyo lang na napakahinang nilalang ninyo.
I can't determine what I heard, but I heard it.
Shaman Tope, where are you? Is that
Ang
you?
layo, ang layo niya.
Shaman Tope, don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
It's you?
Sige,
Check.
It's you? Oh,
Right
Shaman
now.
Tope.
Okay. Dibang.
Diba? Shaman Tope, move. Tignan mo ako wala trace ka. Hanggang saan? Hanggang saan?
Wala na.
Yeah, wala. Okay. Pag dito, okay. Sa baba, sobrang active ng equipments natin. Again, okay, Shaman Tope. Yung pagiging active ng equipments, we're not saying that multo agad yun. Pwede mo debunk yun. But, tingnan natin. Maganda yung EMF eh.
Wala sa lumalayo sila eh.
Ang malayo sila?
Meron kami kasama dito, magpakita na kayo. We're looking for you. Hinahanap namin ng mga spirito, kaya wala dito sa lugar na to. Pwede ba kayong magpakita, magparamdam sa amin? Hello? I thought narinig ko yung ding-dong. Personally, Shaman Tope, I don't feel anything. Ano pa ang...
May energy ako nararamdaman. Kaya lang, mostly yung nakikita ko rito, yung imprint na nakaraan.
Ah,
Yung
the
mga
imprint.
empleyado. Kaya shadow
okay.
yung nakikita ko. Hindi siya exactly spirit, pero
Yeah.
yung nangyari before na nagtatrabaho sila dito, ang nakikita ko.
To me, it's like, kumbaga sa nagambala, gambala yung mga nandito sa ingay. There are places na mararamdaman mo the moment you walk in. There are spots na mararamdaman mo like downstairs. It's a different vibe dun sa pinakababa, unang floor. But the moment we went up sa second floor and now dito sa nasa third kami, mararamdaman mo yung hangin, dampi ng hangin kasi open yan. I don't feel anything. Grabe yung
Amoy?
Ano ba tayo?
Chemical?
Alright, so at this point, papatay tayo ng ilaw, we will just observe. Gusto ko maramdaman yung ano dito yung gumagaya ng boses. This is the perfect spot sa buong building na to. Meron tayong echo dito, so magtatahimik na tayo, patay natin ng ilaw. In 3, 2, and 1. Ulitin ko, magandang gabi po sa lahat ng mga nandito na Espiritu o Kaluluwa. Kung meron man, gusto lang po namin patunayan na nandito kayo kasama namin sa mga oras na ito. Pwede po kayong magsalita, pwede kayong bumulong, pwede kayong bumulong, pwede kayong bumulong, pwede nyo kaming lapitan, pwede nyo kaming hawakan. Kailangan nyo lang po patunayan na kasama namin kayo dito ngayon. Nagbibigay po kami ng katahimikan. Gusto kong gayahin ninyo ang boses ko. Gusto ko magsalita yung gumagaya siya ng tawag. Uy, wait. Ilaw. Ano yun? Ano yun?
Lumapit sa akin.
Ano yun? Wait. Ilaw po, ilaw. Oops. Wait a minute.
Oh my goodness.
Look. Yes.
Ano yun?
Look. May nakita ko dito, Shaman Tope. Ito. Shaman Tope. Nandito, may nakita ko dito. What's that? Ito na.
Boses ni Rob. Lalaki!
Boses?
Opo! Ang
May
lakas!
boses, narinig ko. Yes.
Ang lakas!
Wait a minute, wait.
Kala ko si Rob.
Wait.
Ang balay kong tumayo pa ang sa ako. Sa legs ko. What the heck?
Sino? Ang lakas ng boses na yan
Ay,
Umayik ko siya dito.
Rob!
Hello, Reed.
Oh my God, it's you! Oh my God, I'm so
Where are you?
No, here, down.
Oh my God.
Did you hit this?
No.
No!
We heard a sound here.
We just
You know,
saw
I-
something in here.
I
We
heard like
heard.
this. In
No.
here.
We heard your voice.
We heard your voice.
Just my voice.
Yeah.
Did you scream?
I heard a kid.
Did you
A
scream?
boy. I screamed.
Okay.
나 소리 질렀나요?
But we didn't hear you screaming.
Oh no. It's not us.
Oh, you did not scream? We heard your voice. It echoed here.
Just once. Oh, like this is us.
We heard your voice.
Yeah,
Calling
because
us.
this moved like this.
Oh,
No,
heard this.
we didn't hear
We didn't
like
hear
that.
this.
I heard a voice.
아, 위에서 한거
A very deep voice.
Deep voice.
Yes.
But I heard a kid, a boy.
Wow.
나
Wala.
꼬마 남자.
May nakita ako dito sa Mantope.
Ba't sa tayo sa ano?
Sumilip dito. May sumilip dito. Ito. Pakita mo to.
Yan.
May sumilip dyan. As in from here. Gumanon. As in, takatingin ako. As in, ang malupit ng Shaman Tope, may glow.
Ito mo?
May glow siya.
May glow?
May glow siya. Hindi siya,
Anything. I heard a voice.
hindi siya shadow. May glow siya.
Yung,
I'm not joking.
Hindi siya
dito talaga siya.
Umulong sa'yo, no?
Dito talaga siya. As in, dito talaga
At
siya.
saka
sa
doon
tenga ko.
ang gal. Hindi, pero
ko alam
di
kung
nag-echo
gumagano
dito
ang
eh.
lakas niya.
Muntik pa ako madapa kakahaba. Dalawang beses ako.
Shaman, ano yun?
Yun yung...
Ano, yung parang nag-earphones ako.
Oo.
Ganon. Parang may
Ako, nung nandun tayo sa loob, sasalubungin na ako eh. Kaya sabi ko, ilaw.
Shaman Tope. One more time. Lights off.
Lights up.
Lights off one more time. One more time.
I'm scared.
Wait.
Papakita ko sa viewers kung paano ko nakita.
Ito nga, baby.
Ito, andito ko ha. Shaman Tope.
Wait.
Dito po ako nakakita. Ayan mismo. Ayun. May glow ng ilaw. May glow ng ilaw na sumilip. Ano siya? Ay, ang ina kaya.
Ito pa matindi. Kala ko may pintana. Nakakamdaman ko na lalig dito na pumapasok ng hangin. Wala ko ng pintana.
Ayan. Mami, LG.
Tayo.
Lights off in 3,
3,
2, 1.
Ikaw na ba yung nagpakita sa akin at narinig namin? Ikaw ba yung nanggagaya? Ikaw ba yung nagpakita sa dulo? Bakit nagkaroon ng ilaw sa dulo kanina? Hindi siya ilaw eh, glow siya.
Hindi naman galing sa labas.
Hindi, glow siya. Glow siya na sumilip talaga. Hindi siya yung ilaw ng headlight. Kasi nagulat ako kaya takbo ko, dalawang pa akong tigod na pa. Gusto ko siyang makabulit. Pwede ka bang dumaan sa harapan namin ngayon? Can you come to us? Pwede ka bang pupunta sa amin? Pwede mo kami lapitan. Kung may kasama kami, pwede ka bang magpunta sa amin? Nandito kami, hinahanap ka namin. Gusto namin lumapit ka. Maaari ka bang papunta sa akin ngayon? Nandito ako sa harapan.
Nasa likod siya. Nasa likod ni Paul.
Sa likod ko? Okay.
Natayo lang.
Nakatayo sa likod ko?
Pero shadow lang siya.
Shadow.
Huwag ka magpunta kay Apple dito kung pupunta sa harap.
Dito sa harap, para makita.
Huwag kang makulit.
Sa camera.
Huwag kang makulit dito ka sa harapan. Sumunod ka.
Tama ko, kumahan pa rin naman ako. Nang tingnan ko, pumapaling pa rin ako kay Apple.
Oo nga, nung pumapaling.
Nandun siya sa likod nakatingin. Pero nandun sa akin, harmless. Harmless naman siya. Nakatingin lang. Curious sa ilaw natin.
Pikit po, pikit. Pikit. Don't move. Nandiyan ka ba sa likod ni Apple? Nandiyan ka ba sa likod ni Apple? Kung nandiyan ka sa likod ni Apple, pwede ka bang umikot-ikot sa iwan mo si Apple dyan sa likod? Kaya mo ba yun? Gagawin lang po ha. Straight pa din. Ito ko sa gitna, marami na masyado.
Ikaw na si Ro.
Meron ba?
Si Ro.
Si Ro yun, si Ro.
Ikaw ni Ro yun.
The Koreans, it's you know, it's the normal reaction of food.
Ikaw na po kumarala.
Do you feel anything po?
Wala.
Wala? Pwede ko mapunta kay Apple. Punta ko si Apple. Punta mo lang.
Can you, my hair?
Don't move. Punta mo lang si Apple kahit konti lang. Sa camera kasi, siya man tope, if titignan mo to, parang may magmamanifest dun sa, sa likod ko. Pero, yan yung talaga ng paratoria. So, hindi yan yun. Ano ng wall yan? Stain ng wall. But we are waiting for you to show up. I'll give you 10 seconds to maybe walk around Apple. Lakad ka lang, paikot kay Apple in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Alright, so I hope meron nakaka-capture. I hope na-capture ng mic yung boses kanina kasi it's a different voice. I'm not sure. I'm not saying it's the spirit na not saying it's the paranormal, it's for you, the viewers, to decide. But we experienced it firsthand.
Yeah.
Nakita niyo si Apple, medyo nag-freak out
Freak
ulit.
out na naman ako.
Nag-freak out si Apple.
Not the usual. Not the usual.
One more time. Are we on the right spot, Shaman Tope? Saan mo siya nararamdaman? Tinatanong ko si Shaman Tope kung saan niya nararamdaman. So, hinahanap niya lang and then maglalagay tayo ng do not ililipat yung equipment. Shaman Tope, si Apple daw hanggang ngayon may na-feel siya sa likod niya.
Parang maliit.
Opo.
Pares tayo ngayon.
Actually,
May-
ganito po siya. O kaya ako
Sige,
nag-share kanina.
i-ano mo sa kamao mo kung gaano kalaki. Yan, ganyan din sa akin.
What the?
Ganito, halos ganito bro.
So, I wasn't imagining.
Pwede yung gamitin yung energy namin. Hinahayaan namin kayong gamitin yung energy namin. Magparamdam kayo. Gamitin yung energy namin. Sige na, ngayon na. Magparamdam kayo. Pinagkakaroon ko sa inyo yung enerhiya ko. Para lang mapatunayan natin at magkaroon kayo ng lakas para magparamdam sa amin. Yung sinasabi mo, Paul,
Po.
yung parang namamanhid na gumuguhit
Oo.
dito sa palso.
Ngayon?
Oo. Natatakot ba kayo? O hindi lang kaya na gamitin yung pinagin ako, hindi mo kaya higupin para magkaroon kami ng lakas at makapagparamdam sa amin. Ano ba kayo mahina?
Hila ka pala eh.
Tapos magpapakita kayo sa mga nakatira dito para tanggapin sila.
Hila ka pala eh. Hindi ko lang kaya magparamdam eh.
Ina-allow ko na gamitin yung enerhiya ko para magkaroon kayo ng lakas.
Naniniwala ako meron kasi may nakita ko eh. Yes. May narinig din ako. So, alam natin meron eh. Pero for some reason,
Mahina nila talaga. May mga kaluluwa talaga kung mahina.
for some reason, it's not responding. Unlike sa baba, yun na ba yung palabas na yun sa baba? Is that it? Hanggang doon na lang ba yun yung sa baba?
Pinagulungan tayo.
Sinagubog lang ba?
Na-excite niyo lang kami.
Okay. So I think, baba tayo.
Talon po.
Talon po.
발란포?
Talon.
Talon po.
Jump.
Someone's
뜻을 알아냈어.
saying to you to jump.
Oh my god. You know, we talk about jumping.
Yeah.
Someone
We
Oh.
talked it because we felt like I will show you.
There is whispering in my ears telling someone command you to jump.
Oh my god.
Merong ano, may tumutulong sa atin, merong gusto tayong mapahamak, may tumutulong pa rin sa ating spirito. May tumutulong sa atin kasi may nag-whisper sa akin dito na pinatatanong siya.
Parang gusto siya paglaruan, hinahamon siya.
Really? Is that real?
Yes, someone whispering in my ears,
Mhm.
helping us.
Mm-hmm.
Because there are spirit,
Mm-hmm.
they want to harm us. That's why one spirit,
Mhm.
the negative spirit, the
Mhm.
bad spirit, or I say,
Mm-hmm.
they command you to jump.
Look.
Yeah.
It still has 2 hours and 21 and then it stopped.
It stopped.
Oh.
It's gone.
Dinidisable na yung camera.
Shaman Tope says in his experience before, They
Same.
drain batteries here.
They
Oh, that's a
can-
good thing, you know?
They
That's
can
a-
manipulate our gadget and equipment.
Well, that's a good thing. Maybe they're trying to get some energy
Yes.
for them to show up.
Yes.
That's a good thing. So, spirits, we're here. Come on.
Magpapagpag ko lang niya.
Oh, lagi naman ako nagpapagpag eh.
Ako nga natatapakan ko rin.
Ano si Shaman?
Ouch!
Commercial break.
Akala nyo ba ang mga shaman seryoso? Si Shaman Tope hindi. Napakakulit sa personal. If you go upstairs, you have to be careful. And like what I told you, we've seen something and we have heard your exact voice. Three of us.
Yes.
That's why we were asking you earlier if you screamed. Right before you called us. Right before, seconds, like I can say 20 seconds right before you called us.
Reeve, I want to tell you something.
Yeah.
I want to drop this.
Wow.
We heard your voice 3 times, and I asked you over there, and I asked you over there, are you Reeve? Are you here? We filmed it. 형 기억나지? 내가 리브냐고 물어본 거 기억나지? 혹시 리브인가? 우리 잘못 들었나? 계속 그러잖아. We did it several times
Same.
because we heard your voice.
Even
It
us,
was a
it's-
man. It was a man.
My voice?
Yeah. I don't know it's your voice, but it was a man. And we are in here and you're upstairs. So I just felt like, oh, it's Reeve's voice? Reeve, are you here? I was talking over there. You came? Oh, bro, you're here. Oh, it's not you? No, it's not me. Oh, really? And then one more time here. Oh, we heard something. Oh, Reeve, it was talking over there.
Yeah. But you know what?
Huh?
When we heard your voice,
Mhm.
it was not on that spot. Where's that spot? It's not on your spot where you called me.
Mhm.
It's not there. It's far away. And it's
Over
it
there
echoed.
and over here. 2 times.
It echoed upstairs. Your voice echoed upstairs.
Okay.
And Apple freaked out.
Mhm.
Because it's
It's on camera.
like
And
I'm
Shaman
wearing an
Tope,
earphone. That's how loud it is for me.
Oh,
I'm
it's like
wearing
next
an
to you?
earphone. Yes.
yeah, because she's at the back. You know Apple, she always stays at the back
Yeah.
shooting video. So it's me and Shaman Tope. We're trying to catch the glowy thing that I saw.
Mhm.
And then Apple was at the back. And we heard the voice. All the 3 of us, we heard the voice. We heard you. We just could not determine what word it said, but
Yes.
it echoed the entire 3rd floor. I hope our camera, the mic captured it. I want you to confirm this. Gusto ko i-confirm mo sa akin to. Ang spirito kasi, from what I know, sabi mo sa akin kung tama ako mali. Ang spirito, every time there is a specific someone na gusto niyang paramdaman. Not everyone. Like that's what I'm saying. Kasi for me, I'm telling you kanina pa, diba? I was telling you na wala akong maramdaman. But then, I really saw something weird. I'm not saying it's paranormal, but I'll try to figure it out. But it's something weird na witness ko. And then all of us heard that
Kasi
voice.
alam mo kung bakit ganun? Bakit parang napipili nila?
Yeah.
Kasi ako o ikaw, hinahanap natin sila.
Yeah.
Yung focus natin sa kanila. Pero si Apple kasi, ang nasa isip niya is mag-shoot.
Yeah.
So hindi siya aware sa paligid.
Yes.
Yeah.
So kaya
Oh,
si
yeah.
Spirit, nakita niya, open si Apple.
Siya yung vulnerable.
Yes.
So even like even si Rob ngayon, iniisip ko, bababa pa lang, nasa kanya yung, kasi in-observe ko kanina eh, kung nasan siya doon pumipitik yung gamit. Nung latter part ng 1st floor, and then like here, and then now you're telling
Pero kasi ang
May
range ng
nagpo-provoke sa
pad is pagaling. Hindi pagaling.
yeah, hindi dome. Dome siya.
Dome
Dome
siya.
siya. Hindi siya wide.
Kaya ang Spirit, para mapatunog niya, talagang
Yeah, lalapit siya talaga. Kaya ko kino-confirm kay Shaman Tope ito guys, the reason is also to educate na hindi porket nag-ghost hunting kayo, not necessarily kailangan solo kayo palagi. It's not that. Kahit marami kayo, there's always one specific person na pagpaparamdaman niya, hindi siya yung lahat. Kung naramdaman ng isa, naramdaman ng lahat. The voice is different. Yung voice pwede mong marinig ng lahat. Pero yung ibang pagpaparamdam na
Aawa ka
kumokonek
pa.
sa kanya. The connection, yeah.
Yes.
Yun yung word, the
Kasi nakita
connection.
ng spirit na, si Apple pwedeng madali ako makulit dito. Ganun.
Yeah. Okay, so di tayo gagamit ito ngayon. Mag-SB7 lang tayo.
Okay.
So tell me, Shaman Tope, where to conduct the SB7.
Kasama ba kami ngayon dito? Kasama ba kami ngayon dito? Help!
Wait a minute.
Bibigay ko yung energy ko eh. Help!
Tama ba yung narinig ko una? It's wrong. Yung una?
Yes. Tapos help.
Ilagay natin yun ha. It's like sinabi wrong. Oh wait, baka na masyado tayong...
Read. Kilala mo kami?
Yes, that's clear.
Kailangan ba ng tulong? Kailangan ba ng tulong? Kailangan mo ng tulong. Ibibigay ko sa iyo energy ko. Kailangan mo ng tulong? Ilalapag ko to ha. Ibibigay ko sa iyo energy ko para makapagsalita ka. Nandito ka ba? Nandito ka ba? Tatanungin kita ulit, nandito ka ba?
Oo. That's clear. So far, we are capturing good words.
Clear.
No? Yeah, clear. Trina, yes. And then, oo.
Mapapahamak ba kami? May gusto bang malapit sa amin?
Meron bang gustong malakit sa amin dito? Kung sino man ang kausap namin na sumasagot, pwede mo bang sabihin ang pangalan mo? Pwede mo bang sabihin ang pangalan mo?
Ano pangalan mo? Ano ulit? Ano ulit yung pangalan mo? Bibigyan ko sa uli ng energy ha. Gamitin mo yung energy ko. Ano pangalan mo? Okay, gamitin mo yung energy ko. Tanong ka lang ako, madami ako rin ako, repeat lang. Ano pangalan mo?
Pwede mo bang sabihin ng malinaw kung ano pangalan mo?
Teresa.
Teresa?
Isa pa. Yung malinaw.
Malinaw.
Teresa. Ikaw ba yung nirate dito? Teresa?
Tinatanong namin kung ikaw ba yung pinatay dito o ginahasa? Oo o hindi. Hindi.
Isa ka sa mga namatay nung nasunog to?
Hindi.
Lalaki.
Lalaki, hindi. Lalaki ka ba? O baba? Lalaki ka ba? Oo.
Kailangan niyo ng dasal.
Kailangan nyo ba ng tulong namin? Pwede mo bang sabihin ng malinaw yung mga sagot mo? Kaya mo ba yun?
Alam niyo bang patay na kayo?
So,
Careful siya. Careful.
Are you okay?
one more floor to go. We're going all together. Let's go.
Let's go. Kadya!
Open yan ha.
Open?
Open yung pintuan na yan. Diretso sa baba yan.
Oh.
Tara, magpap tayo.
So, yes. So this is the last floor. Huh? Bro? Where are you? We're going upstairs. Oh, butas na. Ingat sa mga butas.
Okay.
Ang butas to. Wow.
Naalam ko.
Alright, so guys, we are on the last part of this investigation. I'm with, of course, a shaman. This is Shaman Tope that we're talking about. I'm with a shaman and binibigay talaga natin sa kanya yung kapag for this investigation. I want him to show me and show you, the viewer, how legit is his method, is his style, is his hunting. It's up to you. You decide kung ano ba sa tingin ninyo. But one thing I can say, he's not fake. You know what? What fake is? The fake ones is yung gumagawa ka ng peking ito. Yan ang fake.
Alam mo bang patay ka na? Alam mo bang patay ka na? Kasama ka ba namin ngayon dito? Kasama ka namin? Kasama ka ba namin? Kasama ka ba namin ngayon?
Tama to, I guess. Walang gustong kapag-usap. Alright, so you know what? I guess that's it for this. If there's anybody here, may kasama man kami, sa mga oras na ito, gusto namin magpasalamat sa inyo dahil wala kayong sinaktan ni isa sa amin. Sinabi namin ang intensyon namin, gusto lang namin kayong makuhanan, gusto namin kayong maramdaman o magparamdam sa amin. Salamat dahil tinanggap nyo kami dito. Thank you, spirits. Salamat po. I'll turn this off in 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so, alright, so that's it guys for this investigation dito sa abandoned factory. I'm still of course with Shaman Tope, and sinabi ko kanina to Shaman Tope, I told them the viewers will decide. Viewers will decide kung meron ba kaming amazing na na-capture from what we experienced sa investigation na to. At first, on the first floor, it's very active. There's something on the first floor. But then as we go along, as we go up, hanggang dito sa 4th floor, this is the rooftop area, medyo parang nagsubside siya. Kabaliktaran nung istorya na habang umaakit ka, mas lalong nagiging active or mas patindi yung pagpaparamdam. But then, for tonight, we're not saying na yung mga nagpunta rito walang katotohanan ng mga na-capture o naramdaman. We're not saying that. It's just that for this investigation for tonight, nag-umpisa kami na sobrang active and then unti-unti as in parang walang gustong makipag-communicate, but then we will still review our footages kasi normally in person, alam mo na to Shaman Tope, normally when we ghost hunt, when we do these investigations, most of the time it's like peaceful, no? But then magre-review ka ng footages mo, magugulat ka, meron ka nakaka-capture no voices. By the way, for me the best evidence is EVPs, voices. That's true, they're screaming downstairs, I don't know what. But then yun ang nakaka-capture namin madalas, no? Payapa pero biglang may makaka-capture doon sa video, nakaka-capture ng mic, nakaka-capture sa recorder or nakaka-capture sa spirit box. But then spirit box natin, re-review natin yan using earphones. Talagang i-determine natin kung nagtatry ba silang makapag-communicate na hindi lang natin maintindihan. But you know, I wanna ask Shaman Tope, what do you think of this investigation? What went down as we go along the investigation? Ano yung parte na talagang we can say na it's something paranormal?
Kasi bukod kasi sa paggamit namin ng mga equipment, gumamit ako ng dowsing rod. So, well, yun yung tinatawag natin traditional way or traditional tools. Nagre-react naman siya, pero syempre kailangan i-validate pa rin yung mga equipment natin. So far, may mga feelings ako naramdaman, may mga paramdam sa akin, may mga vision din ako nakikita, pero syempre kailangan pa rin natin ng validation ng mga gamit natin.
Iba yung experience when you are here sa personal versus nanonood ka as a viewer. So, to validate everything that we say, na merong something na nangyayari, and to, you know, to tell the spirits to touch something or to command the spirits. Kaya kami gumagamit ng equipment sa lahat ng ghost hunters, ganyan ang rason. Even a shaman is using equipment just for the viewer na makita na meron siyang yung navivision niya or nakikita niya, nararamdaman niya, pwede i-validate ng equipment. Kasi hindi niya mapapatunayan na, meron ako nakikita rito. Sometimes it can show up, pwedeng magpakita, madalas hindi nakikita. And again, as a skeptic believer, Shaman Tope, I told you everything about paranormal. We are skeptic, 50% skeptic, 50% believer. But you know, the most important thing is yung nakikita kong ginagawa ni Shaman Tope, he is doing it because of his love for the paranormal. And he is a shaman for a reason. He has his own sacrifices. Nakwento mo yung paano ka nag-start, nabanggit niya lahat ng nangyari. So, the respect is truly 100% for Shaman Tope. I respect Shaman Tope. I respect him as a person, as a shaman, and as a brother. And I'm just really happy na kasama natin si Shaman Tope sa gabi na to. I've waited for
More exploration.
too
and
long.
investigation.
No, I mean, I've waited for too long para ma-meet ka. This is the first time we met and para tayo alam mo yun, sobrang
Parang tagal na natin
Yeah.
magkasama.
Yes, and that's why I'm really happy. I'm really glad to meet Shaman Tope. So, Shaman Tope, is there any message you wanna tell the viewers?
First of all, nagpapasalamat ako kay Reverie kasi yung tiwala na binigay niya sa akin, kahit nasabihin natin na pwede met daw, pwedeng meron,
Yeah.
meron wala, meron meron. Pero still, thank you, and Apple, thank you, thank you. Hoping na magkaroon pa tayo ng mas marami pang exploration and investigation, ma-prove natin sa mga viewers
Yeah.
na nag-i-exist sila. Pero hindi po ibig sabihin nun, para lang magkaroon kami ng content. Ginagawa namin to para lang patunayan na nag-i-exist sila dito sa mundo at mag-alay tayo ng dasal. Bigyan natin sila ng dasal kasi sila yung uhaw sa dasal eh.
Yeah.
Naghahanap sila ng liwanag. So tayo mga buhay ang pwedeng makatulong sa kanila sa pamamagitan ng paniniwala natin tsaka yung trust natin sa Diyos. Kasi hindi natin masasabi, baka dumating din ang time na maging content din tayo.
Alam mo, na-realize ko, pwedeng dumating ang araw, tayo yung hinahanap, tayo yung gustong kausapin. Because you never know, with regards to the paranormal, guys, iba-iba ang opinion,
Yes.
iba-iba ang paniniwala, iba-iba ang pagtingin.
Tama.
Paranormal is a belief. Alright?
Sobrang lawak ng paranormal.
Sobrang lawak. So, but, ang importante, we are doing this together, united as one, and we are on the same page. We are here to hunt the ghosts, the spirits, or whatever it is, to prove their existence. Yun lang talaga yung gusto nating patunayan. So,
And bless them. Pag once na napatunayan natin, pagdasal natin sila, huwag kayo matakot sa kanila. Dahil mas kailangan nila tayo. Takot oo, nandyan.
Shaman Tope, ako magsusorry ako kasi talagang mahilig ako pangulit. Pinoprovoke ko talaga yung
No
mga
problem,
spirito.
brother. Ako,
That's
like,
my
ito,
style.
like ko sinasabi sa mga video ko na kahit shaman ako, natatakot pa rin ako. Hindi ako holy, hindi ako perfect.
Yeah.
Pero alam ng Diyos na mabuting tao.
Oo, kahit naman, actually lahat ng nag-ghost hunting, talagang takot pa rin. Hindi pa pwedeng sabihin na matapang ka. Ako takot din ako. Pero I try to provoke, pinoprovoke ko yun. Kasi assignment ko, yun lang naman eh.
Mas maganda kasi ma-overcome yung takot.
Hindi, tsaka gusto ko kasi talagang solid na.
Yes.
Alam mo yun? May makukuhanan talaga kami na makikita ninyo. Because yun yung sense ng ghost hunting na ginagawa natin. So, Shaman Tope, thank you so much. Gagawin natin ulit to. Makukulit to eh. And Shaman Tope, this is the first time we met and he is, I can say, are you a part of Souls?
Yes.
Are you a soul?
Yes, this is Shaman Tope po. At kaisa ko ni Riv at ng Soul para patunayan sa inyo at ipakita sa inyo ang dapat.
Ghost hunting community here in the Philippines, united as one. Let's change the standards of ghost hunting here in the Philippines. By the way, again, that is Souls, seekers of unexplained lost souls. This is Shaman Tope, the shaman, one of the shaman of souls. Thank you so much, brother. God bless you. So that's it for this investigation. Thank you so much for your never-ending love and support. Maraming salamat po. I hope nagustuhan nyo tong investigation na to, and we'll see you guys on the next investigation with maybe another member of Souls. Alright, so once again, my name is Reeve Henry and this is I Am Reverie together with
Shaman Tope.
and with
Ako, Fernandez.
nasa likod ng camera, and I hope na-enjoy nyo itong video na to. So, peace, love, and respect to everyone. Take care, God bless, and we are
Gone.